It's Wednesday, March 28th, and we're back at the site. It's the next day, and as you can see, the place is a bit of a mess. They finished getting the building down at about 9 o'clock last night, so it turned out it was about 5 to 6 hours from start to finish to get the entire building down with the large excavator. So today they're here, they're sorting through the different types of metals. You can see on the far side in front of us, they have the material sorted out, and they've got a big pile of aluminum material there. And here right in front of us, they've got that sorted out. That's all steel, and they're working their way through the pile. So over there, that's a mixture of aluminum and steel, and they haven't made their way down to this end of the site. I think they had some sort of a problem with the machine. Looks like they blew a hydraulic hose. So there's a crew of repair guys here working on the big excavator. So it's very nice to see all this stuff sorted on site. It just makes it that much more efficient at the recycling facility, so that it only gets handled the once here, and then it'll go to the recycling and then on to its final destination to get melted down for future reuse.